Got mice in your rental? Here are some safe and natural ways to get rid of them. Notice droppings? Heard scratching at night? You might have a few uninvited guests. Mice sneak indoors looking for warmth, food, and shelter. They often come in through tiny gaps, under doors, around pipes, and even cracks in the walls. Spotted tiny droppings, heard scratching behind the walls, found a cereal box nibbled at the back. These are all classic signs you might have mice, and it's best to act early. Here are 5 simple, natural ways to keep mice out. It's safe for children and pets, but a big no thanks for rodents. Mice can't stand the smell. Just add a few drops of peppermint oil to water in a spray bottle and mist around entry points, cupboards, and skirting boards. Leave a few slices of onion near suspected nests, just out of reach of curious pets. Bay leaves are also a natural repellent and can be tucked into pantry corners. Keep all food in airtight containers, preferably glass or tough plastic. Clean up crumbs daily. If there's no food, mice won't stick around. Seal up holes with steel wool or eco-friendly filler. Add bristle draught excluders under doors to stop mice from entering. You can bake them with peanut butter instead of cheese. In a rental, you may be expected to deal with the minor pest issues. But if mice keep returning or it's linked to a structural problem, the landlord should get involved. If natural methods don't work or using more than one mouse, it's time to bring in the experts. This is especially important in flats and shared buildings. Mice don't belong in your home, but with a few simple steps, you can show them the door without harming your family.